Hi you guys, thank you for tuning in on another one of my videos. So today we are going to target flexibility as well as stretching. I have a 10-minute beginner friendly routine where we're going to prioritize our breathing, our flexibility, as well as giving ourselves a little bit of tender loving care. All you would need is just some mat. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's get to it.
All right, you guys, we're going to start with our neck stretch. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tilt our head to the right ear, to our shoulder, and we're just going to stretch.
Take your time, free your mind. You can find peace of mind.
We're going to roll our chin to our chest and tilt it all the way over
Take
to
your
our left
time, free your
shoulder.
mind. You can find
Now,
peace
while
of
we're doing that, we're going to
mind.
focus on our breathing and just go back and forth, chin to chest,
Redefine, realign. Deep inside, we divine.
and back and forth.
Take your time, free your mind. You can find peace of mind. Take your time, free your mind. You can find peace of mind. Take your time, free your mind. You can find peace of
All right,
mind.
now we're going to transition to our next stretch. We're going to focus on shoulder rolls. So we're going to take our shoulders and we're going to roll them back
Redefine,
real easy, making
realign.
big
Deep
circular
inside,
motions with our
we
shoulders.
divine.
Again, while you're stretching your shoulders, you want to focus on your breathing, taking a deep breath in,
I know
inhaling,
times are
and
kinda
exhaling
tough
out.
right now, and nobody showing love. You're a diamond in the rough.
Now we're going
Love
to transition
yourself,
from
know your
going back
worth, you're
to
enough.
rolling our
I
shoulders
know times are
forward.
kinda
So
tough
again,
right
making
now.
big circular
You
motions with our
better be
shoulders.
in love. You're a diamond in the rough. Love yourself, know your worth, you're enough. You're enough. You're enough. Love yourself, know your worth, you're enough right now. Love yourself, know your worth, you're
All
enough.
right, now we're going to transition to the cat-cow stretch.
Love
So we're going to be
yourself,
on
know
our
your
fours.
worth, you're enough
We're
right
going to drop our
now.
belly to the floor,
Love
lift
yourself,
our
know your
chest,
worth, you're
and
enough.
raise our head straight up to the ceiling. And we're going to exhale out and round our back,
Take
tucking
your
your chin
time, free your
into your
mind.
chest.
You can
And
find
we're going to
peace
repeat
of
that back and forth.
mind. Take your time, free your mind. You can find
Again, just
peace of
going with your own
mind.
flow.
Take your
Rounding the back
time, free your mind.
and arching the back to
You
bring
can
your chest
find
up to the
peace of
ceiling.
mind.
Now we're going to do
Take
a
your
forward
time,
fold
free your
stretch. So we're going to
mind.
place both feet out in front. We're going to flex our
You
feet
can
towards the ceiling.
find peace of
Don't worry about if
mind.
you can't reach your feet. Reach your hands to
Take your
your
time,
toes.
free your mind.
You just want to take a deep breath in and exhale out
You
and
can
stretch
find
towards your
peace
feet.
of mind. Take your time, free your mind.
We're going to repeat it again. Take a deep breath
You
in,
can
raise the hands
find peace
overhead,
of mind.
and exhale out and stretch towards your feet.
Take your time, free your mind. You can find peace of mind.
All right, now we're going to transition to the butterfly stretch. We're going to bring both of our both our heels to our feet together. I'm going to take my elbows and I'm just going to press down slightly, add a little bit of pressure on my knees to open up the hips.
Because I'm young, it doesn't mean I'm done. I'll sit here and stay like it's a holiday. 'Cause every day with you makes
Again, we're just adding a little bit of pressure to the knees. Focus on our breathing, inhaling in and exhaling out.
You wanna wake up, smile at the day. Feel like I'm out the cage, hop right out. My phone's engaged, I find myself walking out this maze, guy. My sunny face shine.
Right now, we're going to do a side stretch. So we're going to take our left arm, and we're going to reach it over our head to the right ceiling. You want to keep your chest open or just get a deep stretch in. Now we're going to transition. We're going to take our right arm and reach overhead to the left ceiling or left wall.
My mother told me what to do without her saying. Don't give in to the masses, don't give in to the masses. My mother told me what to do without her saying. Better to smile and let it get you down. Darling, darling, please keep your head.
All right, now we're going to stand up. We are going to focus on stretching our hamstrings, which is the back of our thigh, back of our leg. You're going to take your right foot and place it in front. Take your left knee and you're going to bend. You're going to shift your weight behind your left knee and lean forward to get a good stretch in the back of your leg. Now we're going to switch. I'm going to take my left foot, extend it out in front. Right leg is bent behind me, shifting my weight slightly back behind to my right knee and leaning towards my left ankle. All right, the next move we're going to do is we're going to do a child pose. So we're going to sit our heels. We're going to sit on our heels or sit on our tush. You're going to take your arms out in front and just extend them out in front of you, letting your forehead lightly fall against the floor. And we're just going to hold this stretch. Remember, we're going to focus on our breathing at this point. So you're going to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Now we're going to do a seated twist stretch. We're going to bring both legs out in front. We're going to take our right knee and cross it over our left leg. And we're going to take our upper body and twist it the opposite direction. Now we're going to take our left knee, cross it over to the right leg and twist our upper body again. Wrapping our elbow around our left knee.
By the memory of everything we were.
All right. Now, to conclude our stretch routine, we're just going to have a period of this stillness. So, whatever that looks like for you, it can be in a butterfly position, sitting up tall, it can be in a child pose position, or even just laying flat on your back. One of my favorites is just laying flat on my back. I'm just going to focus on my breathing, taking deep breaths in, exhaling out. Just a moment of stillness.
This is the only way out. I can't resist your spell. I just lose my head. I lose my head every time we speak. So I sing instead.
All right, that concludes our stretching routine. Thank you so much for stretching with me. Remember, just as much as we focus on being active and working out, it is definitely imperative that we take time to focus on ourselves and giving self-care with stretching and relieving any kind of muscle tension. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.
With a heart that belongs.